found this old tank and I just had to take it and turn it into a rainforest. Keep watching to see it turn into a thriving ecosystem with plants and animals. I'm going to need gravel, cocoa peat, sphagnum moss, sand, and charcoal. The gravel, followed by some cloth and charcoal, will keep the water from pooling around the roots. Now we need to make the substrate. Boiling water expands the cocoa peat brick very quickly, and it smells amazing. Anyway, let's add all of the elements. The substrate will mostly be cocoa peat, followed by a bit of sand and even less sphagnum moss. I'm estimating everything here. There's one last thing I want to add. Highly nutritious worm castings. This is a great natural way to add nutrients to my substrate. It's naturally occurring in rainforests, and worm castings won't burn the roots of my little plants. It will also introduce healthy bacteria to my ecosystem. Make sure you keep some for yourself though. This stuff is divine. The substrate looks like a forest floor, but it's too flat. We need some landscaping. What's this? A perfectly sized piece of branch that has not been manually cut to size at all, hidden amongst these bushes? Perfect fit. Now we need some leaf litter. And now we need life. The search for isopods involved looking under literally anything in the yard. Oh, that's an ant colony. Ants Canada would be ecstatic right now. Bingo! A small little family of isopods. I'm sure they won't mind if I completely abduct them from their life here on Earth and force them to live inside my little rainforest ecosystem. But they'll do an excellent job as part of the cleanup crew. I'll pay them, of course. The males can have $1 per hour and the females can have 70 cents. Look at these cute little critters quickly find their home. Have a look at these mites we picked up on the worm castings too. But we have a problem. The isopods don't like that I kidnapped them, and they're trying to get out. And I don't have a lid. No worries though. I'll make a lid out of this perspex I had lying around. This will keep my well-paid servants in, and also keep the humidity up. Now for the best part of every rainforest, the plants. I've selected some small ones which will hopefully create a nice range of colours without outgrowing the tiny tank. Here's what it looks like so far. Did you know that in the Amazon rainforest it can rain up to 8 times per day? And there's a big storm cloud brewing in this one. I feel like there's only one thing left